Hello and welcome to Yes You Can channel. Has your keyboard stopped working? Then don't worry, I've got 8 methods how to fix this problem. Let's start with solution 1. Method 1. Save all work, exit all programs and restart Windows by rebooting. Method 2. Try each of the following until you find one that works. Method 3. Update your BIOS firmware. Method 4. Check for the latest Windows updates and install them. Method 5. Hold the shift key on the right side for 10 seconds until you hear a beep sound. Method 7. Search for Device Manager in Windows and uninstall the keyboard driver and reboot into Windows. Perform a restart. Method 8. Update keyboard driver or rollback driver in Device Manager under the name keyboard. Guys, if any of these methods has worked for you, please comment below and like the video and let everyone know which one worked for you best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next one.